Hello, I'm Kat Coley, and I'm going to be giving you all the temperature for each sun sign, and also you can pair this with your moon sign or your ascendant. Each zodiac sign carries its own energetic temperature, a vibe or frequency that feels hot, cool, warm, based on its element and mode, plus the way it naturally engages with life. So let's get started. Aries, hot and fiery, feels like a spark, a flame, a surge of adrenaline. Energetically impulsive, direct, passionate, and fast moving. The vibe, quick burn, bold heat, initiates with intensity. Taurus, warm and grounded, feels like afternoon sun on your skin, cozy firelight. Energetically steady, sensual, comforting, and slow to shift. Vibe, earthy warmth that lingers and anchors. Gemini, cool breeze, feels like a crisp wind with dancing thoughts. Energetically light, curious, fast, and mentally sharp. Vibe, airy coolness, changeable but refreshing. Cancer, moist and warm, feels like a warm bath or a mug of tea when you're emotional. Energetically nurturing, intuitive, soft, and mood sensitive. Vibe, soothing warmth that rises and falls with the tides. Leo, radiant heat, feels like direct sunlight at golden hour. Energetically bold, expressive, energizing, and heart-centered. Vibe, glorious warmth, center stage fire. Virgo, cool and crisp, feels like early morning air or fresh linen. Energetically precise, calm, helpful, and efficient. Vibe, clean, cool energy, refreshingly detailed. Libra, temperate and balanced, feels like room temperature air with perfect breeze. Energetically diplomatic, peaceful, charming, and thoughtful. Vibe, energetic neutrality, soothing equilibrium. Scorpio, smothering heat, feels like glowing embers or volcano lava under pressure. Energetically intense, magnetic, emotionally deep. Vibe, low, powerful heat, transformative, and hypnotic. Sagittarius, hot and expansive, feels like desert heat or blazing freedom. Energetically bold, blunt, humorous, fast-paced. Vibe, wondrous fire, enthusiastic, wild, and spirited. Capricorn, cold and dry, feels like mountain air or frosty discipline. Energetically grounded, restrained, focused, and long-lasting. Vibe, chill with strength, cool, calculated presence. Aquarius, cool and electric, feels like wind plus static, futuristic air. Energetically detached, inventive, social, but distant. Vibe, icy brilliance, cool mind, electrified soul. Pisces, misty and humid warmth. Feels like a foggy dream or underwater currents. Energetically soft, emotional, boundless, intuitive. Vibe, emotional vapor, warm, watery transcendence. I hope you all enjoyed this interaction. Like I said, you can use this for your sun sign, your ascendant, and also your moon. And it kind of gives you a detailed perspective on how each sign could come off energetically. Thank you all for watching. Like, share, or subscribe. Peace out to you all. Peace into me. I love y'all. Mwah. Bye.